Abasi.
Mpanyin mirara, inemeset, ibanga, ebwana wibami, edikabarident.
Today, we celebrate the union of these two people that have finally become one bone, one flesh, one blood, and one bank account. Abang me.
Bank account.
If you don't like change more.
Oh, it's you don't.
ATM.
Oh, it's you must sit on the.
Like.
In Yakma, when I say Monga Sikere, Miss Blessing, Dennis Udafia.
Before, the wife first name was Miss Blessing, Dennis, second son White.
Even the second son White.
Abang Udafia.
Oh, Kiko Makara.
Second son White.
For Morion Wero.
Takama mana.
Sasama.
Outoro.
Eri Dagami, I Kere, Mrs. Blessing, Victor, last 5 Jackson.
But now, her name is Mrs. Blessing Victor, last on top 5, Jackson.
Abasi, even the last on top 5.
I want to see last Gavition.
Okay.
Who said?
Abasi, how do you say one as Yasaro?
Coutoro.
In a best Mamadi, Architect, Victor, last 5, Jackson.
The husband name is Architect Victor, last 5, Jackson.
Eddie Dagami, I must encode Yanampo, Adidi, Mr. and Mrs. Architect Victor, last 5, Jackson.
But now that they are in cooperation with each other, their names are Mr. and Mrs. Architect Victor, last 5, Jackson.
Oh, Mrs. Blessing Jackson, I mean, I'm not finding your auntie. Keep it for, I'm happy. I can't do for my eating food.
Mrs. Blessing Jackson, we want you to know that your husband loves you more than you love yourself.
You know, I'm feeling young auntie. Keep it for my happy. I'm happy to do coffee young. I'm happy. We make minutes, Messi. Namsa, Mamma, be again.
Mrs. Blessing Victor, we want you to know that your husband loves you to the moon. Even though you take him ATM, it will not vex.
Mr. and Mrs. Victor.
Mr. and Mrs. Victor.
We
say may God bless you guys.
In that
your marriage home, dance, sing, chop, can money, drink, we misbehave. Nice, dicky na mistake now 1 or 2. Get oiba. Abang dia ngotre kedo. Kaiso.
Mairo.
Abasi.
Medio ibami. Mwetu ibiana local government. Kakwa Ibom State.
These two beautiful couple, they are from Ibiono local government in Akwa Ibom State. May God bless you people. Protect you people. Continue in love, Mufo.
Young people.
Went to a big people.
That's kingdom.